it's I. Phoenix Metal. Alright, just turn this down a little. And there we go. Now I can hear myself think. Open this real quick. Da-da-da. There we go. Make sure I update my cloud data real quick. Download this. Download this. And download this. There we go. Oh, excuse me. And screen record. Whoop. It's I. Welcome back, friends. Oh, we ain't got no lighting. Hold on. There we go. Now we can see. I'm gonna drag this over here. Alright, so we back. We back to game dev. I have not gotten to work on much of anything but art assets this week. I was pretty much getting things ready that I would need for today done all week. Because I was like not at a computer for most of my work week. Who? Oh. Still not stuck. No, yes, I did. That's what I've been playing. I've been playing Freedom Redeem. I'm not that far, bro. I'm gonna have to binge it later. Like later today. I think I'm still in chapter 1. I'm early game. I'll make it, bro. It's fine. And if I don't make it, hey man, Zelda can sit for a couple days. Nah, that's crazy. Spoiling is crazy. Alright. Damn, that downloaded fast. This device. Yep, I got everything. Okay. So first things first, we go to the Trello. We need to import some shit. So I want to I need to open Clip Studio Paint. Open this file. I just need to open. I can open them straight from Clip Studio. Alright, so okay. I was about to say the end of that synthwave song was getting to my nerves. They're about to make me put on the lo-fi. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna show y'all what I've been working on. So Obviously, I have these dialogue portraits. I've had those for a while, but I gave them a little blue a blue background to update, to get them ready to be put into side of the actual game. Opening paint. I need to turn this layer off. And then unrelated to game dev. Where is it? I've been gaming recently, and I beat Eastward. Or is it played? Eastward's good game, man. Eastward's some good shit. Gotta say. But anyway. What was I doing? Oh yeah, opening files on clip. Did I open that one? No. Okay, so then I drew a little standing pose for Mia so that I can use her as an NPC. This is an animation file, but I haven't animated it or anything, just like the idols for Drake. Then I have a 9 slice. And this is for like UI elements. And then I have paint. Some dialogue animations. Hold on, let me see. File, layer. Is view? No, it's window. Timeline. There we go. And so I have like little animations of this word bubble opening. So I'll use that. And then, hold on, I need to get my notebook because I wrote down notes for what I need to program. When you can't program, you write down in the notebook. That's how it works. Okay. So we have this dialog box. I can save that. So I just need to export everything, get it ready for import. Okay, so portraits, you need to, hold on, view, where's the ruler bar, there we go. These are 480, these break in 480 intervals, I think, right? Yes, okay. So now, I'm gonna go to, here. Oh wait, fuck, I need to export first. File, export single layer PNG. And I'm gonna go export it to my assets folder. Draco Jam, assets, character sprites. I'm gonna add a new media folder. Animation sheets. Okay. Let's do new folder, character portraits. And then we're gonna do new. I hit shortcut on accident. Folder. Mia, and then another one for Drake. Save. And I actually want these to be. Oh shit, Jesus. Hold on, I need these to be 100 scale. There we go. Okay. 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 And then same here. Environment art, assets, character portraits, Drake, save. Okay. And then I have this Bride of Mia. I'm gonna go to export single layer. Oh, that's the wrong button. I need to export animation image sequence. And then I need your output to be half of this. So you need to be 540 by 650. And I also only need the first frame. Alarm going? It is. Okay. Boom. I have no idea where that exported. Where did that go? No, I'll just have to correct it. File, export single layer. No, export animation. This is the boring part of shit. I should have exported these yesterday, but it is what it is. I'm gonna export area sequence. That's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna export specifically to assets, character sprites, Mia. Select folder 540. Name Mia, blah blah blah. I only need the first frame. I'm gonna hit OK. Oh wait, Nate. I'm gonna name it Mia front idle file. Okay. That's exported. That's exported. So then we gotta get the 9 slice. So export single layer. This isn't. No, yeah. PNG. I'm gonna go to here. Assets. And now we're gonna make a new UI. New folder UI. Let's save this here. Do the same thing here, except I'm gonna export these. Export single layer. No. Export animation image sequence. And I only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only need the first 5 frames. Dialogue box left, and it can stay the same size. And then boop, file, export animation, image sequence. It's the 5, dialogue box right. Okay. Just Open this because I'm curious if that it came in right. Assets, UI. They didn't. Oh, I sent them to the wrong place. Oh my god. Assets, character sprites, Mia. Yep. Sent them to the wrong place. This is missing a sprite. Why is it missing one? One, two, three, four. Yeah, that's weird. Edit. Cut. Assets, UI. Control V. Export. Export animation. I mean image sequence. I only need the third frame. So I'm gonna do 3, 3. And then just export that to the correct folder this time. Assets, UI. No items match your search. The fuck are you talking about? Whatever. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So I'm gonna rename you. Your name is going to be Dialogue Box Right 0003. There's already a file in this location. Yes. And then rename you to 04. And then rename you there we go. Okay, and then do the same thing for the other one. I don't know why this just ignored this frame entirely. That is weird as hell. Export animation. I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna eat after stream. I need to refill my water too, damn. Image sequence 3 to 3. Dialogue box left underscore, and then this one is gonna be, let's just make this one 4 and then put it in the right place. Yes, select folder. Okay, and then go back in here. Did it? Yes. Okay, I need to rename you. You're going to be 05 until I change you back. You're going to be 04. And then you're going to be 03. Boom! Okay, we got all the shit we need for that. So we have everything new exported. So now we get to do the fun part, programming. So I'm going to go into here. Here, here, and here. So I don't need the draw event at all. I am gonna start by making an NPC. So I'm gonna go to objects, NPCs, and I have object stump in here. I'm gonna create a new NPC. You're gonna be OBJ Mia NPC. So then I'm gonna give it a sprite. Oh, I have to import those sprites too. Shit. Okay, sprites. UI. Create sprite. This one's gonna be SPR dialogue box left. Let's do left first. Imports, assets, UI. We need left, so we're gonna get shift in, open. Alright. Yep, that is it. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna duplicate it. We're gonna duplicate, except we're gonna name you right. Then I'm gonna import. Shoot. Oh wait, I gotta. There we go. And then also I'm gonna create an SPR 9 slice. Yeah, let's say that. An SPR 9 slice. We're gonna import this image. Okay. Then we're gonna make this a 9 slice. Zoom out. So then I'm gonna put that there. Put this here. Something like that, and then drag this down. And this up. There we go. Now I can test it. Just make this a little bigger. Ooh, that's silly. That looks hilarious. But for the sake of what I needed to do, because I really just needed to do this. Yep, that's perfect. Okay. Alright, so we have our SPR 9 slice in, so now we need to get in, we're going to go to character sprites, we're going to make a new folder for Mia, create, group. This folder is going to be named Mia, and then we're going to create a sprite, SPR Mia front idol. I think that's the naming convention. Overworld. Yeah, SPR Drake front idol, SPR Mia front idol. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna create another group. overworld and then drag that in there. Okay. So now we need to go back to the NPC. We need to give it the sprite of Mia. Ow. And then I'm going to go into the sprite of Mia. I'm going to import assets, character, sprites, Mia. Grab this. Okay. There she is. Now I'm going to open Drake's front idle and copy some of the data from him. So I'm going to need her origin to be right here, roughly. Collision mask. Origin is in 270, 580. We can just match those. So I'm just gonna do 80. And then I'm gonna change her bounding box to match that. Okay, so I'm gonna say this needs to be manual, and we're gonna change her hitbox to 170, 362, 362, 550, 649. And then I'm gonna give her a little more, zoom in a little, give her a little more on this side. There we go. Boom. All right. Now, she should be a working character that I can put into the area. So now I just have to set her up as an NPC. So I'm going to go into Object Stump real quick. Actually, I'm going to go back to her and I'm going to close all but this, just so I can get some clarity. Open this. Okay, inside of the create event, so you need to be a child of Object Speaker. Then I'm going to copy this over. Add event, create event. Description. Initialize the Mia NPC speaker. I'm going to paste this in. I'm going to get rid of this. Dialogue object is object dialogue. That's fine. I don't need a portrait. Not anymore. Portrait test. Node ID equals portrait test. Okay, so I need to go into yarn now, or crochet. All right. Is this my file? Yes. Data files. No, this is from Project Draco. Hold on. Open. I need to go to GitHub, Draco Jam, data files, test.yarn. Open. Okay. Okay, this is the right file. So now I need to make a new node. So I'm gonna make a new node. I'm gonna name this Drake and Mia. Okay. So now I'm gonna grab this. Control C. I'm gonna paste this here just so I can work from there. So I'm gonna change this to Mia. Okay, so we're gonna compose a quick conversation, and then, oh wait, I gotta import the character portraits. Let me do that first, and then I have to change some values inside of a function. Is it this one? Yes, dialogue emotions. So I need to go into damn, I'm working in high gear, so I need to go into characters. Let's not go into character sprite. Let's change. Do we have a character portrait folder? Character sprites, decorations, sequence sprites. I'm gonna go to create, group, character, portraits. Alright, and I'm gonna create a new sprite. This is going to be SPR Drake portrait. Hold on, let me check something in my dialogue object. Object dialogue. Draw GUI. Section portrait. Portraits. To draw sprite. Flip train. Where do I get the portrait from? Ah, there we go. Asset get index speaker L portrait. And then that sets it to, okay, and then, all right, cool. Okay, so I need to, so SPR Drake portrait is fine. Then I need to create a sprite again. This is SPR Mia portrait. And then I'm gonna import assets, character portraits, Drake. Am I importing to the right thing? No, this is Mia. Actually, wait, I need to edit image, and then I need to import a strip image. Control I. Okay, so you have a height of 1080, and every frame is 480, and there are 4 frames per row. Convert, and that's 4 different portraits. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Okay, and then I need to go to here. Import, edit image, Control I. Character portraits, Drake, doop. Same thing, convert. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Okay, so frame 1 is excited. 2 is, I don't know how to describe this. And this is angry. I'm gonna call it mad. Okay, so loop that. So that's idle. Okay, so let's go into the emotion script here. Case idle. Then portrait I equals 0, break. So I need to do another case. Control C, V. Okay, so if the case is that they are what's the word I'm looking for? Let's say impressed. If they're impressed, then that's 1. If they're confused. No, I wouldn't say that's confusion. I'm disappointed. Did I spell that right? Make sure I spelled disappointed correctly. That's 1S. The fact that I had to check that is crazy. Alright. And then we need to do case mad. You just mad. Alright, save. So now there's more emotions. And then I need to fuck, there's still quite a lot to do because now I have to program the dialogue object. Which is gonna be like the silly part. Okay. So let's see here. So now we have all of that. We need to go into here. SPR text box. I'm gonna call that SPR 9 slice. Oh shit! I need that carrot. I completely forgot about that. I can get that from Clip Studio though. I can go in here. I can go in here. Open in Paint. Oh yeah, I never showed y'all. So hold on. Let it load. Okay, here we go. So I've been working on like UI stuff. And I've been posting about it on like Twitter and stuff. But basically I've been working on menus, and that's also where I was working on the dialogue things. So I have like a main menu, like a pause menu here, and then you can go into like a status menu. And then when you pick a character, they'll like do like a little animation and go into like a pose. So I wanted to do something like that. And then I did a battle mock-up as well with a new UI that I'm really fond of. Okay, so now I need to go to dialogue, folder, carrot. Yeah, I need this whole thing. File, new. I don't really care about the size, but it's definitely not going to be that big. Let's just say this. Morning, Nakram. I'm just getting some files in the game. What the fuck? Where's my tools? There we go. Put this up here. And then I'm gonna crop it. Wrong format. File. Export. Almost made a fake PNG. Assets, UI, menu carrot. Save. Okay. And then that's SPR UI caret. So I'm gonna go into UI. I'm gonna make a new sprite. SPR UI caret. And that should make that reference true. There we go. Okay, so then we got SPR text box here. So all of SPR text box needs to be changed to SPR9 slice. So I'm gonna hit Control F, find and replace, find SPR text box. Change this to SPR9 slice. Okay, and then I need to change some of the input stuff because I'm using a different input system now. Shit, I don't remember. I'm gonna go to my menu object, and that'll tell me. Main menu system, object name menu. So input check pressed up, down, left, right, input check, right, left, input check pressed, accept. Okay, that's what I need. Another alarm? Jeez. Okay, so I need input check. I don't remember what input check, accept. That's what it is. Press. Accept. And then I'm gonna go up here, var, var accept equals input check. So accept and then copy the same thing here just in case I need it, which I don't think I need it here. No. Okay, I just need input check press D down minus input check press, because I have to get this working first, and then I can slide in some new features, but like I have to get this up and running. And I'm kind of like strapped for time today. I have some stuff I wanted to do. Okay, so that's down and up. And then scribble.draw typist, which is set in here. So there's like a lot of like value shit that's gonna have to change. Typist. Okay. I need to change the font. Draw set font, custom font. Do you make your code yourself? Yes, I do. For the most part. Some things are things called extensions that are made by someone else but can be imported into your project to give you more functionality. Through a lot of research and practice. Custom font. This is the only call for global.com function. Unite up. Thanks for the follow. Your mom. Your mom. That's right. I'm your mama. We are going to main controllers. I need my game object. Need to go into create. Where do I set my font? Default font is wild words. So I need to set my font to default font. Scribble font set default. Font wild words. Draw set font wild words. Okay, so in my main menu object, do I change my font somewhere? Because I draw. Yeah, I draw set font here. Okay. Do I revert back to default ever though? I don't think I do. No, I don't. No, yes I do. Nice. Okay. I do set it back to default font. I'm a smart man. So then I need to go to... So I have my default font set, so I don't have to worry about the font and shit. So I can just get rid of... Actually, I'm going to change this to default font. And then, just in case it's not the right font. But yes, your mom, I do, that's a funny ass name. I do, pretty much I do most of the programming myself. In terms of, like, I go through, I come up with, like, some of these ideas, or, like, I watch a tutorial and I type it all myself. A lot of this I came up with myself, but obviously I do, like, research and look through guides and things like that. It's not all just off the dome. I need to change the origin of this. This needs to be, like, right here, maybe? Middle center? And then lower it a little. Okay, let's do that. Save. And then I'm gonna do 240, 560 for Drake too. $245.60, and that'll make him a little taller. Okay. Save. And then I'm gonna go to I set my font. I did all that. I'm editing dialogue, so I'm gonna do close all but this. Actually, I'm open Mia NPC. I'm gonna change. What node did I name that? This is Drake and Mia. I need the lowercase. Well, actually, no, I don't have to. Node ID Drake and Mia. Save. And then there's a lot of fucking shit that's gonna probably error and like be in the wrong place, but I can fix that over time after I get everything running. So then I'm gonna go to, this is draw. Okay, draw frame. So this is drawing sprite index. What I need to do actually is inside of the draw event, I need to if, and I have your mom. So this week I didn't have a lot of time to program, so like I would sit down in front of my notebook and try to come up what I needed to do based on what features I wanted. So I have like a big like page of notes, the stuff that needs to be done. If left orientation text box, okay. So I'm gonna do var text box. No, that's wrong. Var text box, and then you zoom in a little bit. There we go. Var text box equals SPR dialog box left. Okay, so then we're gonna do an if we are in actually I have something for that. I'm gonna do this. Control X. I'm gonna go back up here. I'm gonna do var text box. Okay, so if, so this is switch case. In case this is the right orientation, we are going to draw the text box equals SPR dialog box right. And then we're going to take that, put that here. Make this dialog box left. And then instead of drawing that, drawing sprite index, we're gonna draw the text box variable. And then for now, I'm gonna draw specifically the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth. There's 5 frames. So putting a 4 will draw the 5th frame. Because everything when it comes to programming for the most part, unless you define it as not, starts with 0. Save, especially if it's like counting frames of something, it's gonna start with 0. Draw text box sprite with speed of image speed. Okay, so I'll worry about that after I get this to work. So draw text. Position X, blah, 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 blah. Alright. That should... Step event. Image speed, previous speaker. I'm not worried about that right now. Alright, this should... Oh, wait, I didn't put her in the room. I'm gonna go to room testing. Zoom out. And then I'm going to put Mia right here. Error? Yep. Into SPR blank portrait. What? Not set before reading? The hell? What's up, Ultima? Ultima Gaming. Oh, I know why. Where is my NPC? Where's my speaker object? that with the dialogue up? No. Speaker. Why is it in UI? No. Get your ass over here in NPCs. Okay, an interactable parent. Interactable parent can stay where it is. Actually, I don't even know where it is. Interactable parent. Why is it in miscellaneous? These are in such random places. Hold on. Because I imported this from my prototype build. And like, there's some decisions that are like, why did you put that there? Interactable parent can go into NPCs as well. And then I'm going to go into the create event. I don't need a portrait anymore. I'm going to get rid of that. Hit save, play. Occlude not set before reading. Where? Unknown object? Depth object. Hold on. I need to go to my occlusion system. That's weird. Where is it? Main menu system, main controllers, download. Depth sorting system, occlusion system, object silhouette manager. Why are you not working? Add occlusion list other. Right? So I would add her to the occlusion list. But why would it say an unknown object? She would be a known object. Because if, hold on, if character... Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Object Drake. Yeah, if Object Drake works, shadow color. I'm just gonna try Control C. Objects and dot occlude. Not set before reading. Hold on. Let's see. If I go into, let's just say I go into here. Do we make it here? That's the wrong button. There we go. We should. Right, we do. Okay, so from here, let's step over the function call. No drinking, then it sets your shadow value. Okay, I don't need that. You get the input, which I can get rid of get input to be honest, but it's a whole nother story. So we go through here. We do the state machine bullshit. Audio stuff. This is all the movement stuff. When the fuck do you do occlusion? Here? No, this is depth sorting. Refresh surface. Texture. Here it is. This is where I'm looking for. Okay, so we'll step over that a function called occlusion list size. So let me check the occlusion list. Where is it? Silhouette manager. Occlusion list. View as DS list play. Okay, so you have a bunch of objects in a struct. Randomize subimage, occlude. And we don't have their IDs? It's a little weird, but whatever. Okay. What it is. So we go over this function call. Skip through a lot of this. That's where the error comes in. Shit, I should have just kept going. Not set before reading. Object occlude. Okay, so if I take out the Mia, so the issue is clearly with the Mia object. Where do I set occlude? Hold on, that's what it is. That's what it is. Where's Drake? No, I set it inside of character here. Yep, that's what I need to do. This. Control C. Inside of the NPC object. Not Mia, but the speaker object itself. Occlusion code. Save. Play. Okay, so a lot of this shit's about to be wonky as hell. Nope. Oh. Draw my silhouette not set before reading. Ah, fuck. I didn't set that either. Character. Draw my silhouette right here. Function, draw my silhouette. Copy. Speaker. Put that under here. I forgot I defined that function in a create event. And if anybody has questions about programming or what I'm doing, I'll explain. Just ask. Ask them, Roy. I'm not the best teacher, but I can at least tell you what I'm doing. There she is. It's Mia. Okay, and I can collide with her, can stand behind her, beside her. Alright, no glitches. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, question. How do I learn programming? It's 10 times harder. Fuck you, Pyre! Damn it, Pyre! It's 10 times harder for me. Oh my god, that was such a crazy stream. I'm just explaining to this person over and over again that it's gonna take effort. Yeah, well, it's too much effort for me, not what I want to do. The gamer buff gives you a 10 times ability to learn code, so it cancels. No, actually, though. Unironically. You'd be surprised what playing a lot of games will be able to let you logic out. Okay. So I should be able to talk to her. Sound, text box, blip, not set before reading. Object dialogue. Ah, shit. I don't have the fucking text box blip sound, do I? I thought I had my sounds. Bro, do I seriously not have my sounds? Oh, here we go. SFX. OST. Yeah, no, I literally don't have that sound. It doesn't matter. I can just take it out. I don't need the text blip sound. I'll just comment that. Okay, so that's the first error handled. Could not find node. Oh! I actually need to save this. I didn't finish anything. Hey Drake. And I'm gonna make Drake say. Actually, I'm gonna make her what did I call that? Impressed? That's the issue with this. I have to remember what what I named the emotions. Where's my dialogue system? Whoops. I don't need those anymore. Dialogue system. Dialogue functions. Yes, it was impressed. Impressed. I'm gonna make this shape. Okay. I'm gonna make him impressed too. Why is this wrong? Whatever. Idle. Okay, Mia. This is on the right. Drake will be on the left. And then Mia will be on the right again. disappointed. And then I'll put it back on the left. This is Drake. Yeah. Tell me about it. And then I'm going to put her back on the right. She's going to be in the disappointed. You need to not be capital. You two. And you need to be Mia. And then options. Drake. Actually, it kinda suits you. Mia, mad, right, false, start running, Drake, no, I'm just gonna put him in idle. Idle, left, true. Say no more. Okay, and then for visuals effect, then this one's gonna be God, what options do I have? I do miss Stomp though. Oh, not idle, not idle. This is Mia. Mia, right, false. Didn't he surprise you with enemies that one time? Never mind, I hate him. Oh! That was weird. I guess the key got stuck or something. Drake. Oops. Drake. Mad. That's all caps. Mad. Left. True. Left. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and then I'm going to click off of this. I'm gonna hit save. And now that should work. This is gonna be visually garbage though. Probably. What? What? Just open GeForce Experience on accident. What the hell? An error! SPR font not recognized. Scribble error. Where did I set that? Control Shift S. SPR font. Find next. I did. I set it right here. Fuck. Okay. You need to be SPR wild words. I think that's what it is. Let me check my fonts. Tile sets, objects, fonts. It's FNT wild words. Font wild words, save, play. LOL. This looks hilarious. Trying to draw non-existent sprite. I don't know if you're trying to do that. SPR Mia portrait. Did I misspell portrait? Drake Mia. No, I did not. What is it trying to... impressed? No. That should work. Why is it saying that it's not a real sprite? Also, these are like drawn in like asinine places. Where are these drawing actually? They should be drawing in the GUI event. Object dialogue. I need you to draw like I'm gonna do you right. If I do this and this. And hit save. What happens? Because I have some shit to move around and it's gonna be really annoying. Oh, there she is. Okay, so why is she right there? The origin on that... Oh, I know why. Okay. The origin on her portraits is wrong, I think. No, it's in the right place. Oh, yeah. Hold on. What's my portrait X and portrait Y? That's the issue. Because those are just probably placed anywhere. This is my opportunity to fix that. I need to go to dialogue again. And then I need to close all but it. I'm going to go ahead and save. And then I'm going to go in here and figure out my portrait X and Y. Portrait X is display GUI. Okay, so where does that put it? That puts you right there. Okay, so I need to bring you down. So for some reason, right here is where it decides is the middle. A little odd to me, but whatever. So let's just say, let's make an offset. So I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna do var x offset. Whoops. Equals actually wait, I can do this. Var offset, let's say offset right equals, and then make a struct. Is that how you do it? No, I think it's like this. Hold on, let me look this up. Struct format game maker. Structs and constructors. Yeah, I did it wrong. Okay. It's actually curly brackets. Alright, so I'm gonna make a struct. I'm gonna make this one X. And that's going to be, let's say I'm trying to move her over, let's say 300 for now. Y 300. Let's just make that both the same. Control C. I don't need those. I do need those. That should work. Yeah, that's a struct. Okay. And then I'm gonna do another one. Make you left. And kill these. And then I can play with the values at my leisure. So then I'm gonna do plus offset right dot x plus offset left dot right dot y. And actually I'm gonna change these to offset R and offset L for the sake of not having to type as much. Okay, and then do the same thing here. Offset L dot X and offset Y. L dot Y. There we go. Save. Play. Programming is fun. Oh, I'm getting an error. Got Y expected line 38. 38. Hold on, let me check the structure. Oh, I didn't put a comma. I forgot they use commas in between struct values. Look at me using stuff that I've never used. Okay, so that puts her over there. So she needs to move over some more because she's on the right side. You so smart, bros. I guess I am. I can only hope. Alright, move her over 800. Hello, Mandy. Welcome to the chat. We're doing some game dev. 900 and then bring the Y up. Oh, what's up, Ham? The name is so different, it caught me off guard. What's up, Brody? That's too high. What you been working on, man? I've been following you for like a month but never caught a stream. Jesus. Well, here you are. You made it. I'm doing a, some dialogue system reworking. Because you know I changed my whole game's art style. So like my dialogue system is in need of an artistic lift. That's still too high. 150. Random stuff, not working on my main project because I'm not sure where to go with it. That's fair. Take a break. The inspiration will probably come from experimenting somewhere else. That's higher. Right. That's better, but I want that picture. I want the portrait to be bigger. Can I upscale it? Let's times 2 this. See what that looked like. Probably should do a commit. I don't get errors when I speak to her. That's too big. Time 1.5. I'm gonna do 1.2 actually. Let's see what that looks like. I'm kind of so like this week I had like no time to program, so I've been like doing art assets exclusively and then like writing like what I need to program down in my notebook. This is the first time I've programmed in like a while, and I'm working on putting an NPC of my second main character in so I can get my dialogue system working right. There we go. This is a much better size for her. And then I need to move her over a little more. So 1.2 is the size I'm looking for. So I'm gonna make an X scale and Y scale value inside of this struct. X scale equals damn it. Get your syntax for structs right, bro. Please. You should have more of the portrait just be her upper body and head and feel like that would be more natural. Yeah, I think so too. That's why I'm raising the X scale and making a value that I can easily change. Because I need to experiment with that. This is the first time I'm using these new portraits. X scale, right now it's 1.2. Y scale, 1.2. shit. Structs, bro. Structs. You're not defining variables. These are structs. Please. Put in the right syntax, you goober. Okay. Well, I am defining variables, but I'm defining them in a struct. Okay, so offset R, X scale. X scale. And then offset R dot Y scale. I agree with you, Ham. I agree with you. I just need to times offset L X scale times offset R. I mean L Y scale. There. Those are going to be the same value pretty much. I'm gonna make those normal. I'm gonna make those normal local variables, because those aren't gonna be like different that often. I can go in and just change these. X scale, Y scale, X scale, Y scale. There we go. That's better. Okay, so now I have all of the offset information. So I'm gonna save play. Okay. So now I need to make that a little bigger. So like 4. And these are just sketches, so the art's like super dirty. But that's actually not bad. I'm gonna lower it though. You need to be like 300. The art is good for a sketch. Thank you. Like I say all the time in the Discord, I'm an artist first and foremost. Programming was a new skill. There she is. I'm gonna move her over a little more and then figure out where the hell my text box is. Because that's the $1 million question. I have no idea where the fuck that is. Draw the frame. Draw the name. Nakram's crush on Mia grows. I need the right one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I set the right one. It's set to position X and position Y. Well, for one thing, this should probably be like around here. I need her to beat my ass and then cook me a meal, please. Hey? Good lord. Position X is 79. Okay. This I'm annoyed at like this magic number situation here. I hate shit. You've definitely said worse. You've definitely said worse. I gotta give you that. I don't know if you want to be given that, but I gotta give it to you. I used the wrong value. It is what it is. Oh, there it is down there. Oh my god, why is that shit is huge. Pause. I didn't know it was gonna be that size. I should have known, because the damn thing is huge, but edit image, I'm just gonna scale it from in here. Resize all frames. It is what it is. I can half it from in here. I would half it in Clip Studio and re-export it, but I'm also very lazy, and this is just text. This is just testing. Half the size. It's also still in. It's still in the wrong position anyway. So let's just make this 0, so I can see it, and then I can come up with values from there. Because based on the size of my mock-up, it should be like a roughly, yeah, it should be like a fourth of this. So I need to SPR dialog image, resize all frames, 300. It doesn't seem right. It doesn't. That's what I'm thinking. But my character portraits, the GUI size should be like 1080 by. Hold on, where's my game object? No, I think this image was just. No. No. You're right. Hold on. This is weird as hell. Something's wrong with that. I need to re-import this because I fucked it up now. You should see if the GUI size is wrong, because 600, not even getting close to fitting doesn't sound. It doesn't. It really doesn't. Because it was only like, what, like 1,000 pixels wide? My character portraits are 1080p. That doesn't make any sense. I'm glad you said that. Because that should fit. Like, hold on. Let me open my mockup real quick. Okay, this is a 180p image right here. This is, yeah, like this is a like 1920 1080 image. Is GUI size changing in between portrait and text box? I think so. Let me check. Dialogue GUI. Character. It is. Shit. I don't need this. It changes when I draw my fucking portrait. This is because, like I said, I imported all of this from my prototype, and there's still some stuff that I haven't refactored. So that's what I'm doing now. Damn, so I need to fucking change like my scale is probably gonna be fucked up. That's really annoying. I'm glad you noticed that. This is why it always helps to have a second opinion. That's still too big, but It's better. Um, Character portrait. Gotta bring it back here. Then your text is now small and higher quality, so it looks better now at least. Yeah, absolutely. I do have to raise the font size a little bit, but it doesn't look so bad. And the text box feels like it still feels like it's the wrong size, but I'll figure that out. Okay, there we go. So then I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna turn X scale. X scale can be 1 again. Save, play. All right. Why is this dialog box so big? I think I still need to half the size, I think. Because this is 12,000. Hold on. Looking inside of this, if I go, this is, let's say I take here. This is roughly, what is that? From like 4, the image is 1080p and the text box is, then it seems right, it is. Which is crazy because I did not set that size. I just copy and pasted this from this very obvious 1080p image. And my GUI is 1080p, I'm pretty sure. I'll go check though, but that's really weird to me. This image is about 480. Then the middle of 480 in there would be 60? I mean not 60, 40. Over there? Over here? Yeah, there he is. I was pleased when I did it because I was like, yeah, hey, the silhouettes for my characters read really well. Yeah, it has to be. It's scaled up somehow. Let me see. Let me look at my code again. Cause I draw the text here. Headphone fire horns is such a goaty design. Hey man, I felt like I hit a stroke of genius with that one. Draw set. Draw just do idea swing height. Character portrait. Text box. It doesn't scale anywhere else. Let me check my GUI size. Let me see. Main controllers. In the art program. Maybe so. Hold on. This is it. No, this is the wrong one. This is it. So this is 12,000 by 600. 12,000 by 600 is too much though. Right? It feels like it. Hold on. This is... from here to here. That's like, because it looked like on the measuring that the text block was way too big to fit a 1080 screen, so that entire image might be like 2 times scale or something. Right. Maybe so. That's weird. I don't understand how the fuck it would be, but I think you're right. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm gonna scale this down to by 2 and see how it looks. Edit image. Image. Resize all frames. Just out of curiosity, because I can always re-import it. I just don't understand why it would be scaled down, and my brain is not like processing math right now. Yeah, like this is the better size. It's still not quite right, but it's better. So that begs the question, like, how the fuck did it even get like that? Let me see. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into Clip Studio. I'm gonna go into here. Looks accurate to the image. I just think the original was scaled by 2 times on accident. Let me see. Control C. Control V. They're the same size on here. Weird. Yeah, it must just be a scaling thing. Let me export again, maybe. Twelve 1200 by 600. Because 1200 by 600 should not take up an entire... Wait. No, yes it should. Why is it that big? No, yeah, that's wrong. A 1080p screen is that vastly exceeds 1080p. I'm pretty sure. Cause no, it would be 1920. By 1080, half of 1080 is only like 540. It's scaled somewhere. No shot. This is scaled somewhere. And I'm gonna fucking figure out where. Because that's wrong. That doesn't make any sense. Draw sprite text box. I simply draw the sprite here at the correct position. You're still 1200 by 600. Here's the real litmus test. Here's a real litmus test. I go to sprite right, and I go into my room. I drag this in. Alright, fuck. I don't have a sprite layer. Hold on. There's my layers. Let's just do that. Oh, shit. I'm just gonna make a test layer. What the hell? No, that's not what I meant to do. Where is... Not an instance layer, not a path layer, tile layer? No, it's not a tile set. Asset layer. That's what I'm looking for. Jesus, why is my brain not working? Okay. Yeah, this is the right size. So the scaling is just ass somewhere. That's the only explanation. Because everything shows it as the right size except for when it's in game. Let's go up here. Shit. So this is for character portraits only. So can't be where I'm scaling it. Because it's a sprite, there's nowhere that it would be scaling unless I scale it in code. And when I draw it, it's literally not scaled. Did you check the scaling on the S draw sprite ext part? Draw sprite ext. On the draw sprite ext part, that's for the character portrait. So I don't think that would have any bearing on drawing the text box. And even then, that doesn't have any scaling anymore. The scaling is just set to 1. No, you're good. There's a draw, hold on, let me zoom in so you can see better. Right here, there's a draw the frame. This is draw sprite text box. That's drawing it. But somewhere in here, either in here or somewhere entirely different, it's got to be scaling itself, and I don't understand where that would be. Because literally, hold on, is it something with my camera? No, my camera is 1080p as well. I'm gonna check my GUI size real quick. Project game. Draw set GUI to the camera. Yeah, and if the size is correlated to the camera. Hold on. Room editor. Viewports. U0. And the camera is also 1080p. Because, like, the whole point of me switching this art style was to never have to deal with resolution issues like this. I don't understand. Everything correlates to 1080p. So I do not understand where this random sprite is getting the idea that it should be scaled differently. Maybe Maybe I should re-export it. Export animation, image sequence, PNG, dialogue, UI. I need frames 1 through 5. Frame 60 and prior to camera. I don't know what that means. Alpha remove entire canvas. No. Export frames. Export giraffe. Start number 0. 10. I mean 1200. 600. I still didn't get all the frames, but that's fine. Yeah, this is the right size. So I don't think it's the image. There's some sort of weird GUI scaling or something going on. And I took that out, I thought. Oh! Wait, maybe? No, that's not it. I thought I saw something. Because this is just drawing a rectangle. And that draws it the correct size. I'm gonna pull out the debugger, it's time. Okay, so before... So right about here. I'm gonna do this. Why do I have this set into a local variable? That's weird. I'm gonna take that off. I don't think I need that sprite in a local variable. Yeah, like I literally don't use that anywhere. Play. And then put one right here. Because this is like strange beyond belief. Oh, I forgot I put that there. It doesn't matter. Nah, that's still wrong. Testing. I can delete this. Go in here. Put this back where it belongs. There we go. And then come on. Compiling takes so fucking long. Why is it scaled? Image speed. When did I set this? That's weird. Play. Oh, I remember. I was debugging the okay, portrait. there a way to check? I don't think there is. It is what it is. Okay, so you draw these. Somehow by this point. Hold on, do I change the GUI anywhere? Yeah, basically all the GUI reference are from things I'm either not using or libraries, and those don't change. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into game. Where is it? There it is. I'm just gonna straight up copy this and move it into here so that before this runs, it sets the GUI layer. So that no matter what, when you get here, draw everything at the size. I don't give a fuck whatever the fuck changes it. There we go. It changed somewhere. My GUI layer is changing. Hold on. Control C. Nah, I'm gonna figure this out because this is bullshit. Where is it? Where do you do it? You only do it in 2 places. It literally only changes my GUI size in 2 fucking places. Why does that happen? That's so obtuse. Whatever, bro. Doesn't matter. Save. Now that I figured it out, I can figure out my fucking placement values. That's insane. I don't know where the hell my GUI decided it was changing. Okay, so this needs to be lowered. Okay. Position X. You need to be... Probably gonna go in a little bit after I figure this out too. Okay, so you're right there at X. I need you to lower on your Y axis. So I'm gonna say GUI height, Control C. That's not enough. In fact, that's not anything. Divided by 4. Does that bring you up or down? I think it's gonna bring it up. Smaller numbers go down. I mean, go up. Yeah. Minus sprite height. That's a little better. I need a little more. Minus 20. There we go. And then you with divided by 4. Excuse me. It's almost perfect. I give it a little bit. I give it a little bit more. Another minus 20. A plus 20 for X. Okay, so that's fixed, and then I need to move the portrait again. So you need to be at, let's say, an X of 800 and a Y of 600. No, that's way too much. A little more. On the X. And then 250. And then raise the X scale by 0.4 maybe? Almost. A little lower. And then I can figure out the text issue. You need to be at 300. Might need to be 350. I think I don't need these breakpoints anymore. There we go. That looks nice. I like that. Very similar to the mock-up. Roughly starts their portrait off at the knees. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. And then I need to figure out the text. Well, actually, there's an error that happens when I press A. I need to figure that out first. I want the errors gone before I start fucking with visual shit. It doesn't really matter yet. Okay. Draw sprite ext portrait. Still white, still white. Trying to draw a non-existent sprite. Okay, so portrait is somehow non-existent. Which doesn't really make sense. Oh! That's why. LOL. I had a space in there that I did not fucking remember putting in. Probably I pressed the keyboard on accident with my cursor in. Jesus Christ. Okay, so now I need to fix the values on the left. Okay, so 350 on the Y. And then you need to be like, let's say 200. It's always the small things. It really is. One really tiny thing can fuck up a whole thing. That is not a good position. X needs to be damn near 0. 20. Shit. 20 is probably too little, but still. What the fuck? Oh, I'm goofy. Did I not? No, wait, yeah, no. The offset's definitely there. I feel like I'm not moving at all. Something's typed wrong. Hold on. X, portrait X, plus offset L, X. It's in the room. It's weird. That is not moving this at all. Oh, I have to negative it. I'm silly. I have to keep going lower. I didn't even realize. Let's just say negative 200. Almost there. Negative 300. I feel like they might be zoomed in a little too much. I'm gonna take 1 decimal place off. I mean, 1 fucking 0.1 off. How did that get lower? That's hilarious. Oh! It's because of the, these are 2 different sprites. Right and left. Right is set to 30, 223. Left needs to be set to 30, 223. Save, play. It's 1234. Okay. There we go. That's better. Except he needs to be moved over more. It's almost there though. Dialogue. Negative 400. Nah, that's too much. I think the issue is actually you can be at 300, but I need this to move over a little. And it won't be so noticeable that it shifted areas because they like spawn in when they talk once I'm done. Okay, variable index 0 out of range. The portrait E speaker. Portrait E equals speaker D 0. Draw line 28. I don't know what that would be, but draw line 28. Speaker D 0. Why would that be out of range? The speaker data 0 for this. Did I not draw it? Oh no, I typed this wrong. Yep. This is a. There we go. Making errors. And then I still think he needs to be moved over by like 350. And then save that, and then we're gonna run that again. Make sure it works. I also, oh shit, did I do the, I don't know if I've done this. I actually need to, I need to remake my 9 slice. My 9 slice is wrong, like very wrong. Its size is just incorrect entirely. It's way too small. Start syncing. Cancel. Alright. So now I'm gonna read out loud what they say because the text is super small and I have to fix that later. Alright. Holy crap. Wait, why does it put a name there? Oh, I forgot I had names on here. Holy crap, Drake, look at us. Hey, Mia, isn't the new style of everything sick? I actually look like myself now, too. Yeah, that default portrait had you very confused for a long time. Tell me about it. It kinda suit you. Start running. Say no more. Oh, fuck. That is funny to me. Okay. Did I? True, left, right, idle. Where's my movement feature? I had that in. Did I remove it? Why would I remove that? Yeah, bro, I had like a whole feature program for moving portraits. Oh, dude, did I not commit that someday? Or is that on like a different... That might be in the prototype. Well, it is in the prototype, but it might be in there and I haven't moved it. That's weird. I thought I... Oh, it might be on a different branch of the prototype. Hold on. I gotta commit that later first. Okay, so we did all that. We are good to go on like most of this. I will figure out the text shit. I'll have to change like the font size and like make a new font and then give it a drop shadow with scribble, all kinds of stuff. One thing I know I can do is get rid of drawing the name though. Where do I draw the name? Draw the name. Here it is. I don't need that. And then draw the text at position X plus margin. No, not there. Where would let's see. I'll worry about that later because there's like a lot of scribble shit that I have to do because I have to skew some text and all kinds of stuff to make it look pretty. This is done, so I close this. I don't need this. All right, I'm gonna commit all of this work we've done. Updated dialogue system. Added a bunch of new art assets and reworked the system to use them visually. All right, I'm gonna commit that to main. I'm gonna push it to origin. Always use source control. Always. Then, all right, everybody, that's me done. I said I would go till about 12. Got 30 extra minutes. I live life on the edge. Ham Doggy, no! Ham, no! Can't keep living like this, man. Get source control, bro. You need protection. Alright. And now we're going to go into the Trello real quick. I'm going to go in here. I made my test NPC. GitHub too confusing. I'll just complicate my folders. It's not that confusing. All you have to do is drag everything in your folder into your repository folder. And word bubble indicators. So we haven't done any of the new features yet. We just made a test NPC and got like a bunch of refactors done. Okay. So I going to end stream soon. That was a pretty short stream, but I think I got some stuff done. I didn't get everything I wanted to get done, but I didn't expect to get everything I wanted to done. Not with these timetables. So anyway, where's my OBS? All right, everybody. Good stream. We did good work today.
I might stream more often, actually.
I recently got more free time, so I'll probably I might be able to do some shit during the week. Maybe even like later today, maybe? I don't know. We'll see. It depends on how I feel, cuz I still need to beat the Xenoblade DLC before Zelda comes out. But all right, guys. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.